Open the package. Oh yeah, the package. So true. Okay. It's package time. Oh. Dude, my mic is so loose for some reason. And I don't know why I can't tighten it. Okay, it's package time. Oh, I have a... Oh. Do you want to smell? You want to smell? He's alarmed. You want to look? He's alarmed. Did you ever get your table? Yeah, I got my table. But it didn't come with glass. So it's just a wooden stump in my living room right now. Just a wooden stump. Okay, this is not sharp at all. It's just a little letter opener. But it will do the job. Okay, I don't know what they sent me. So it didn't come with glass. No, it didn't. And it also weighs like 1 billion pounds. So it was insanely difficult to get it into my apartment. But yeah, it's just a piece of wood. But it's okay. I just gotta find some glass and I'll put it on there. Okay, so this box is a gift from High Ground. It's a High Ground One Piece collab. And they sent me, so I'm hoping, I think there's definitely a keyboard in here. I'm hoping they gave me the mouse pad as well. So I'm excited to see which one I got because there's different options. So we'll see. We'll see. Oh, bro. Bro, they sent me 2. Dude. It says, "Hi Ray, this is a custom built Gear 5 keyboard. Let us know if you need anything else. More info about the One Piece drop is emailed to you. Enjoy. Sam from High Ground." Valkyrie, one of 5 Gear 5 Luffy Summit. Wait, this is custom. Wait, this is custom? Wait, but there's another one. 1 of 5. Yeah, so that one's 1 of... Oh my god, I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna throw up. I'm so excited. What's this? Oh. Whoa. Okay, so this is... It says, empty box for Gear 5 Luffy keycaps. Okay, empty box for keycaps. And then I got a mouse pad! Bro. Okay, I'm so excited right now. You guys don't understand. Okay, so let's open the not custom. Okay, mouse pad first. Mouse pad first. Ah! Okay, I'm really excited. So I've been using Jody's merch. Oh, by the way, it was Jody's birthday yesterday. Be sure to wish her happy birthday. I DM'd her and I was like, happy birthday, happy birthday. I've been using Jody's merch as my mouse pad, but I'm not gonna lie, I spilled everywhere all over it. I eat at my desk a lot, admittedly, and I am ready for a new mouse pad. It's true. Dude, High Ground, One Piece collab. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Mika's not happy. Oh, it's the wanted posters. This is cute. This is cool. This is sick. Bro, dude, this is sick. This is so cute. I love this. I love this. I love this so much. Okay, I don't think I can eat it at my desk anymore. This is sick. It even has the... It has the wanted poster of Sanji when he looked. Remember this? Poor Sanji. Wow. Oh my god, this Usopp pic is crazy. I'm so happy. Oh my, dude, I can't believe this. Okay, okay, okay. Now let's open the, I have no idea what this one is. High ground. Dude, what a sick collab. She's just throwing everything. Okay, bro, it's a mouse pad. It's gonna survive. I like that they made the boxes look like treasure chests. Damn, this would have been a good reel. I should have opened this as a reel. God, I'm such a bad... It's so hard for me to do reels and TikToks. I've been trying so hard, but I just don't have the brain for it. You know when people have just like, they're just so good at it? I can't... Pretend? I can't pretend. I can't pretend. It's cooked. I'm already at the point of no return. I have to open it now. I have to open it. Oh... It's Zoro. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. That's cool. It's purple. This is cool. Wow, the keycaps are so soft. I love him. He is a little directionally challenged, but that makes him very endearing, doesn't it? You know? I'll help him with directions. I'll help him. Oh. Dude, that's sick. A little? Okay, he's a lot directionally challenged. Okay, let's look at the custom one. Wait. Okay, this is crazy because how do I know which keyboard I'm gonna... I can fix him. I can! Okay, I'll show you guys first before I show myself. So this is the custom 1 of 5 keyboard that they sent me. It's definitely a Gear 5 Luffy keyboard. Dude! Look at his foot! Sick. It's so clean. Oh, this one's a thick one. Oh. Dude, look at the difference between these two. I guess you can't really see it. But this one is like, this is lighter. This one weighs like a brick. Oh, it's a bit larger. Look at the backs. Wow. It's not ratchet. Dude. This is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Wow. You like the Zoro one more? I like the art. I like that Zoro is in the middle here. Like, he takes up the whole frame, I feel like. Luffy's foot takes up most of the frame here. But I'm gonna use the custom one. Or maybe I put the custom one on display and use the Zoro one. Guys, it sounds so good. It sounds so good. Wow. What? It weighs a good amount too. What an incredible gift. Jesus. Wow. It's so good. Okay, I'm done. I feel insanely spoiled.